run it back? And do you wonder if we could run it back? If we could run it, if we could run it back? And do you wonder?
A few moments later.
Hey! Happy birthday! Birthday happy! Aww! Tingnan mo. Set mo ang kung ayaw, pal. Tingnan mo nga. Nagluto ka nga ito. Nagluto ka nga ito. Talaban mo ba?
Wait na. Siyempre, ako na magluluto sa'yo. Huwag ka mag-alala. Ipagluluto kita na mag-gusto mo.
Sige, sukatin mo na ata. Naghihintay siya.
Ay! Unbox eh.
May pa-gift box? Extension ng birthday ka?
Sana all!
Thank you.
Pangit.
Ha?
Pangit po sa mga. Okay.
Ha? Wow naman. Ito, power bank? May power bank gift set. Power bank, tapos may charger na ako.
Gas naman na to.
Hindi naman ganito yung charger ko.
Siyempre dito mo isasaksak oh. Tingnan nga. Iba naman yung charger na binigay nila.
Pang iPhone 14 nga yan. Pero ito pwede. Tanongin mo.
Kaya mo na.
Ito. Tingnan mo nga, paano to?
Oo.
Ayan, yan. Pwede yan. Yan. Okay lang, may ganito pa naman ako eh. Ganyan, oh.
Bigay mo na kay Munching eh.
Oh, pwede naman. Uy, tapos may ano pa? Earpads?
Earpods.
Ay, anong tawag?
Airpods.
Airpads. Oh, thank you so much!
George, ginawa na ito naman.
I love you!
Para sa akin
naman.
talaga to kasi kung bibili ako ng iPhone 15 ko sa next slide.
Uy! Ganyan?
Silicone pala to.
Ha?
Silicone.
Yung film niya, oh, na ano na.
Saan?
Yung film na nilagay.
Hindi yung plastic lang yan, cover.
Ay, yan yung ano? Bago? Wow naman! Wow, may power bank, may AirPods siyang kasama, tapos may ano pa, may wireless charger. Ano tawag dito? Ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Kung may charger, basta may charger yung magnetic.
Basta yung charger?
Magnetic charger. Oh, tapos may kasama pa siya na ano, oh, case. Magnetic case. Oh! Wow! Ang saya! Masaya din ba ang bulsa mo?
Oo, naman yan.
Oh? Wow naman! Sweet naman ni Papa Joe. Ba't sweet naman ng asawa ko? Accessories gift box. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh, diba? Ang lakas naman ni Papa makapagbigay ng regalo. Thank you. Extension birthday gift. Hello guys. So yun na nga guys. Wait.
Hello guys, this is so pretty with red.
Huh?
This is red.
Can you turn around? It's very beautiful.
You can have a flower here.
And what color? Is that your favorite color?
Yes, I favorite this color red.
This
because
side?
I favorite this color pink. This one is color pink. See?
Yeah.
I tell you that this one is color pink. See, I tell you I don't like it. I like color purple. I like color pink. So I like color pink and purple.
That's
So
your
I
favorite
said you
color.
like color pink and purple.
Those are your favorite colors?
Yes.
Oh. Hello, guys. You're happy? Aray ko. Mary, Okay, Mama, we're gonna say something. Mama, we're gonna say something. Wait lang, ah. Can you please? So, voice mo na for a while. Mary, I'm ouchie. Mama doesn't like it. Sorry, anak. I'm hurt. Yeah. I don't like it.
Stand up.
Okay. So, Mama, we're gonna say something. So, yun na nga, guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang kulit ni Mary. Okay, can you please do soft voice muna? Okay, voice is quiet. And Mama, we're gonna say something first, okay?
It's okay.
Okay, po.
Wait, how many guys? Because it's no sound. It's not this anymore.
I didn't understand. Okay, now guys, so yun na nga, 'di ba? Amazing naman magparegalo si Jumar, 'di ba? May extension pa siya na pag-gift, may additional gift siya. So yun.
I don't know what it is.
So yun nga yung yung binigay niya na set. Aray ko, gift set. So, yun, ang saya lang at kompleto na ang accessory ng aking iPhone. Ang kulit ni Mary, di ba? Okay? So, yun lang, guys. Aray ko. Thank you for watching. Aray ko.
A few moments later.
Hello, guys. So, yun na nga. Na-record ko yung nangyari kanina kasi parang nafe-feel ko na parang may ibibigay si Jumar sa akin. So, nag-set up ako ng camera doon. Tapos, yun nga. Kasi parang narinig ko na may in-order siya. Tapos, yun, pero hindi niya sinabi kung ano yung in-order niya. So, yun, guys. So, parang nafe-feel ko na parang may something. So, yun. Na-set up ko yung, yung cellphone ko kanina sa kusina. Tapos, eto nga, guys. So, meron akong accessories. Gift box ng iPhone Pro Max. iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, yan, guys. So, meron na siyang gift set. Meron siyang pa-power bank. Ayan, yung wireless na power bank. So, alright, guys. So, yun na yun for today. Yun na ang aming vlog for today. So, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching!